हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 15 रन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से चैप्टर 2 फ्रेजेस। यहाँ पर आपको जो भी एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस दिए गए हैं उनको एडवर्ब से रिप्लेस करना है जिसका सेम मीनिंग आता हो। पहला सेंटेंस है द बॉयज वर मैंगल्ड इन अ इम्प्यूडेंट वे। तो इसका आंसर होगा या सेंटेंस बनेगा द बॉयज वर मैंगल्ड impudently. Let us cease work from this very moment. Let us cease work henceforth. It was just on this spot that he died. It was just here that he died. The child replied with perfect truthfulness. The child replied truthfully. He arrived at that moment. Arrived then, or then he arrived. I hope that he will come at a very early date. At a very early date will be replaced soon. He seems to have acted with great promptitude. With great promptitude replaced by promptly. He seems to have acted promptly. No one would dare to answer him in a terrible manner. In a terrible manner, terribly. No one would dare to answer him terribly. I accept your statement without reserve. Without reserve, unreservedly. I thank you with all my heart. All my heart, heartily. He succeeded in the long run. In the long run, ultimately. He is ignorant to a proverb. To a proverb, proverbially. The post boy drove with fierce carrier. Fiercely. He has been painted in his proper colors. In his proper colors, properly. The wind blew with great violence. With great violence, violently. He has proved his case to my satisfaction. To my satisfaction, satisfactorily. Sentence will be he has proved his case satisfactorily. ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज। सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।